Hi everybody, it's Kathy from Huckleberry Herbs and Art, and I'm just doing a little store haul update here for some new items from Ranger, straight from Creativation by the way, that I'm putting into the store. I thought you might be interested in taking a little closer look at some of the things that I've placed there. Now, I can't put every color because I'm just a little teeny store, but boy, I think I picked out some really nice colors of things. So let's take a look at the paints first. I've added this beautiful rose quartz Delusions paint, and it is just delicious. Okay, so it's a much softer version of the paint compared to the bubble gum. And remember, these are very liquid paints, these acrylic paints. They're great for using your daubers and things in your journals and many other purposes. This is periwinkle blue, and it's a gorgeous blue. I really love this blue. Isn't that beautiful? So many projects, especially in the spring. These are really great spring colors. And then to go with those lilac themed things that are going on in Heartfelt Creation, here is the laid back lilac, and it is absolutely sweet. Such a beautiful color. Again, with your daubers, with baby wipes or wet wipes, you can paint many objects with these. They're acrylic paints, but they're liquid, and they are perfect for journals. And I'm just going to have to do something with my journals soon so that you can see these new colors combined with some of the others. And I'll probably load the store with some more. But now, these new Distress Oxide inks, I probably will put more in, but I had to get right away the Mermaid Lagoon. Beautiful color. Everybody's jumping on the Mermaid Lagoon. I wanted one that was a little bit more yellow, so I put in the Squeezed Lemonade. So I know it looks very limey greenish, but it is quite yellowish in real life. And here's the Shaded Lilac. This is from Tim's version of lilac. Going to be using a lot of lilac in the near future. And I really liked this blueprint sketch, especially for combining with these colors, because of course you can mix most of these and come up with some sort of a green. And there are greens and other colors from the first releases in the store. Blueprint sketch. Had to get that blue. Just gorgeous. And then to go on along with Diane Reevely's other beautiful paints and colors that she has in the store, I already had fallen in love with the Delusions paint pens, and I put in the store now set number 2 and set number 3, and I've already cracked these open so that we can take a look. But I'm thinking maybe I should swatch these out for you. Would anybody like me to swatch them out to put all the colors in a nice little row so that you can see from all of the different groupings? And these are great on black. They go along well with the other ones. Okay, so here's the Bubblegum Pink and the Tangerine Dream. Polished Jade. Fresh Lime. After Midnight. And this really versatile Slate Gray. Those are in set number 2. And in set number 3, and remember I have set number 1 in the store, which I also have the black and the whites. I think there's still some there. Okay, so for set number 3, that comes with Cherry Pie, Pure Sunshine, Dirty Martini, Calypso Teal, Funky Fuchsia. That's a gorgeous color. Melted Chocolate. Okay, so those are the colors for set 3. colors for set 2. Set 1 is already in the store. And leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the colors that I chose to put in my little store, and if there are colors that you would like to see added to the store, so I'm not just purchasing and loading my store up with things that the customers don't necessarily want. I tried to pick colors that I like. This is the best I can do. Okay, this is really cool. I was excited to get this. Okay, so let me start from the beginning. Now these are all open so that I can actually show you those. The dialogue book. So Diane Reevely has taken the whole journal, diary, agenda, art journal thing to the next level. And these are longer skin, and I don't know if it has any other further name. And this one actually has some of her artwork on the outside and pages of her wonderful multimedia paper that doesn't leak through. It's really good to stamp on, it's great to paint on, and it's great to use now as a bullet journal. Okay, so you got that. Now, here's a different dialogue insert book, and this again has her artwork on it on both sides. They're longer. I'll try to measure these for you when I put them up on the site, okay? These ones have your weekly agendas. So if you wanted to use some of Diane's books, but you really want to have a straight week-long, nice-sized boxes to put your agendas and your dates in, then you have that, okay? So now you got your bullet journal and you got your agenda. What if you like to work on black, especially with your paint pens and some of your dilutions paint, okay? So this is a drawing plain black. Oh, I'm so excited about this. This is great. I love the white pen that she has, and I love working on black. And to have one of these with me so that I can do some on black artwork all the time, whenever I feel like it, that's great. Also, going with this, these are all sold separately, and I have these in the store. There's only a few of them. Pocket inserts, which are totally cool. So I'm always looking for places to stuff little things and creating pockets myself. But these have lovely pockets and slits, and they come in her artwork, and of course you can stamp them up and do more with them. And they are inserts that fit into her new dialogue. So instead of a diary, instead of an agenda, instead of a journal, she's calling them dialogues, but they are all of those things. And really cool, this is one of the covers, which is like a canvas. Okay, so this is the dialogue cover, and the one that I have chosen is the one with this cool looking colorful bird in the frame. I'm working, please kindly go away. A little bit of a wisecrack there. And this is the back of it. And again, it feels like a canvas material. And when you open it up, you have more of the artwork. Art can disturb the comfortable and comfort the disturbed. Very cool. It's got a couple of the elastics all ready to go, and a little more art, cute bubbles, lovely color blue on the inside. And of course, what you do, and I'll just take one of the folders here for a second and insert it. You build your book, okay? And there's your cover. And all of these can fit in. And I think I'm going to have an assembly video when I get mine together, showing you how I put it together. She had some cool tricks on how to use less elastics, but she also has matching colored, perfectly sized elastics to go with this. So these are the dialogue elastic bands. Leave a comment. What do you think of these books and Diane Reevely's journal, agenda, etc. system? And especially, what do you think of having a black insert? I like it a lot. And what do you think of the new colors? And are there any colors of the paints or the inks or the pens that you would like to have in the store? Okay, HuckleberryHerbs.com if you would like any of these things, and I'm looking forward to some more stuff from the Creativation, so keep on the lookout. Plus I got garden videos coming up and more heartfelt creations. Boy, that lilac color is really kicking it, huh? Till next time, everybody, this is Kathy from Huckleberry.